Okay, everybody, let's figure out this distance formula. It's going to be very important on the test. You want to make sure you have it memorized and you know exactly what to do. So when you come across problems where you need to use it, it will be like second nature. So first, before we start, let's go ahead and write out the distance formula. Distance formula equals the square root, big long square root sign of the change in x, or x2 minus x1 squared, plus the change in y, or y2 minus y1 squared. That is going to be our formula. And if we're going to go up here, we know that our first set of points is going to be x1 comma y1. And our second set of points is going to be x2 comma y2. So we just need to fill those in now. All right, so let's go back here. We're finding our distance. So this equals square root, and you're going to put your square root sign every time, because if you don't, that's when you usually get lost. So x2 minus x1, that's going to be 9 minus 2. We're going to have to square that, plus y2 minus y1, that's 3 minus negative 2. And we're going to square that. So first, let's take the stuff in the parentheses and simplify that. 9 minus 2 is 7. We're going to bring down our squared sign, plus 3 minus negative 2 is the same as 3 plus 2, so that's 5 squared. So 7 squared is 49. We're going to add that to 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. You can use a calculator, or you can just figure it out the old-fashioned way. So we're going to say 49 plus 25. 9 plus 5 is 14. Put down your 4, carry your 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7. So the answer to this is the square root of 74. So whatever your distance is, sometimes it's going to be in a strange form like this. It'll just be a square root, and that is fine. So the distance between these 2 points is the square root of 74. A lot of times you're just going to be comparing this with other sides of the shape. So you just need to know if you come up with the same thing. If the other one's also square root of 74, then that's fine. You don't have to actually take the square root of 74 or estimate it or anything. Okay, and that's how you find the distance between 2 points on a line.